Once upon a time, starting your own software business meant years of pain. Step 1, hire developers. Step 2, build platform. Step 3, test. Step 4, debug. Step 5, cry. Sarcastic sigh. Developer sends a proposal. $75,000 for phase 1, 6 to 12 months delivery time. What a bargain, right? We hit some technical issues. It'll take another 3 months. Of course it will. Platform goes live, bugs everywhere. Angry clients demanding refunds, living the dream. You resell someone else's platform, no control, no customization, their brand everywhere. But hey, at least it's not your name on the bugs. You pay, you wait, you beg, you resell, and your dream of being the boss stays a dream. Then came Whitelabel, Genius. Now you own the platform. You control the brand. You command the market. Customize with your logo, brand colors, and domain. 100% branded platform. Your name, not ours. Your pricing, your clients, your business. Custom AI training. Personalize the platform's knowledge base. Fully hosted, fully supported. No developers needed, no coding, no delays, no tech drama. Just instant ownership and instant authority. And yes, Whitelabel Genius is just one of over 50 cutting-edge AI apps inside the revolutionary AI 360 Studio all-in-one software, exclusively from AI Flix 360. Agency owners, coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs, stop reselling other people's software. Build your own AI-powered empire today. The exclusive Founders Club deal is open, but seats are disappearing fast. Secure lifetime access to AI 360 Studio now, and finally own your AI business. Because reselling someone else's brand in 2025 is just dumb.